Withdrawing money from a Milliman benefits account typically involves accessing the funds in your retirement or benefits account, such as a 401k, pension, or similar retirement plan. Here's how to proceed. Log into your Milliman benefits account. Visit the Milliman benefits portal and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by following the registration process. Review your eligibility. Ensure that you meet the requirements for withdrawing funds from your account, which could include retirement age, termination of employment, or hardship circumstances. Certain withdrawal options may have tax consequences, such as penalties for early withdrawal from retirement plans. Select Withdrawal option. Navigate to the Withdrawals or Distribution section within your account dashboard. Choose the type of withdrawal you want: lump sum, partial withdrawal, rollover to another account, or periodic withdrawals. Submit necessary documentation. Depending on the withdrawal type, you may need to provide documentation, such as proof of hardship or termination of employment. Follow the instructions provided to complete your request. Confirm and process. Once you've submitted the withdrawal request, Milliman will process it. You may receive the funds through check, direct deposit, or another method as selected.